Hello everyone, I am Asif. I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Engineering, and recently we had a 2 weeks course from Alpha Tech Academy. So we had 5 days of Python, 5 days of web development, 3 days of aptitude, and then a day of soft skill. So starting with Python, it was really good. It was like our trainer covered all the basics of it. So people who are not really clear with the basics, it really helped them. And the good thing about it was like pretty much like 100% hands-on. So you're getting like a real life experience of it. And then same with web development, we learned all the basics of HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap. So that was really helpful for web designing for all the front-end developers. And then next we had 3 days of aptitude, which is again very crucial for placements. We got basics of aptitude, and then we had finally Monday we had soft skill training session. So where we were taught how to create like a perfect resume, and then how to present yourself in interviews, and other just this general soft skill basically. Yeah, we're really grateful for Alpha Tech Academy for providing all these services. Thank you.